Welcome to the Textvoice app. In the following short video, you will learn how to use the app and its various services easily and conveniently. Identify unknown callers, record incoming and outgoing calls, find out who tried calling you, and receive voice messages as text. Let's begin. After downloading the app to your phone, make sure to activate it in a few simple steps. First, upon entering the app, allow the permission requests. Then, enter your phone number so that the service recognizes and authenticates you. Finally, enter the code you receive via a text message. Copy the number from here. Paste it on the phone's keypad and dial the number. Please note, this action is essential to activate the app and begin the service. That's it. The system is now ready to identify calls from unknown numbers. How does it work? Upon receiving a call from an unknown number, the call must be declined. Important: if you answer the call, the service will not be activated. At this point, the caller on the other end keeps hearing a dial tone, while the incoming call will appear on your screen with the visible number. Simple, right? Now you can proceed as you wish, answer the call or decline it. Moving on to the next service, call recording. If this is an outgoing call, before dialing, click on the Recordings tab in the app, and then on the outgoing call icon. Enter the requested number. At this point, an incoming call will appear on the screen. And that's it. The call is now being recorded. If you want to record an incoming call, put the call on mute and go into the app. Under the Recordings tab, click on the Incoming Call icon. At this point, you will receive a call from an unknown number. Answer the call and merge the calls. And that's it. The call is now being recorded. This call, as well as any other call you record, will appear as an audio file under the Recordings tab.
Yes, as I was saying, we could meet on Tuesday.
And now, for the next service, Who Tried Calling Me? If you are abroad, with no signal, or simply unavailable for some reason, don't worry. The details of the call you missed will appear in the app under the Calls tab. And finally, any call that is declined or does not reach you for any reason is transferred to the app's voicemail service and translated into a text message. The message will appear under the Voicemail tab so that you can read it at your convenience, in addition to an audio file. Remember, at any time, you can change your notification settings or the app language under the Settings tab. Textvoice. Identify, record, and document your calls under one roof. Enjoy!